Here we are at one of my favorite places in the world, Lighthouse Point in Santa Cruz, Steamer Lane. Spent a lot of time here. A big part of drawing any scene is mapping out the basic shapes, looking for different value areas, like the dark areas, the light areas, and just kind of thinking ahead, planning a little bit about what you're going to do. First step is to draw the horizon line in the basic shape areas, in this case the rocks and cliff and some clouds, and keep it really light until it's right. Make little tiny squiggly lines for texture in the cliff to represent ice plant. When shading the rocks, notice how you're holding the pencil and the angle that you're shading the lines. The markings should go in the direction of the surface. And when doing so, it is called a planar analysis. You're changing the plane that you're shading on the rock. And with different direction changes, you get 3 dimensions and a more realistic looking rock. At this point in the drawing, I'm trying different markings like this. Poking at it is called stippling, and trying to describe a sort of granite rock surface. It'll develop a little more after the initial dots. When drawing the clouds, it can be deceptively challenging, but if you keep it simple by noticing that it's all about shadows. Clouds are not white. Look for the dark, medium, and light grays, and be patient to build them up. As you build up the drawing in all the areas, look for where it's light and dark, and when you need to blend, try using a stump or tortillon, or instead like a tissue, but never use your finger, because that adds oil to the drawing, and that can be a problem.